All right, so we're on page 188. It says construct a back-to-back stem and leaf plot for the average monthly temperature for each city. So from the previous page we had a data set for Ashland and Bolzano. And so let's look back at our the table. So Ashland's data right here, Bolzano's right here. We see that the smallest number it gets is in 40s, right? 40. I see some 40s here, and the highest or the maximum would be in the 80s, right? So 80. So the stem part would be stem is what it's what we're going to commonly share because it's back-to-back stem and leaf. So it's going to be 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So the stem would represent your tens place. Okay, so the tens. And all the ones would be the leaf part. Okay, so for Ashland, it's going to be Ashland. If you notice, there's no numbers in 40s. So it's 56, 56, 58, 60, 60, 61, 65, 68, 70, 73, 75, and 82. So those are the data for Ashland. And for Bolzano, there were some in 40s, so 48, 49, 55, 59, 59, 62, 66, 69, 69, 78, 82, 88. So the ones that are in the stem part is a tens place, okay? All right, so what conclusions can you draw from the plot? So go ahead and pause the video for now and go ahead and write down the conclusions that you can draw from this plot. All right, so you should have gotten something like this. So temperature in Bolzano are more spread out. Bolzano has average high temperatures in the 40s in December and January. The temperature in Ashland have less variability and are more consistent. Ashland did not have any temperatures in the 40s. Okay. And determine and interpret the 5-number summary and IQR for each data set. Then describe some observations from the data of each 5-number summary. So IQR means interquartile range, which means it's Q3 minus Q1. Remember, once again, Q3 is the upper quartile and Q1 is the lower quartile. Okay, so just recall that lower quartile means it's the middle number from the lower half. Okay, so the half would be median, right? The middle number would be your median. From your whole entire data would be the median. But from that median and the lower half of it, so to the left side of the median, would be the lower half. So the middle number in that lower half would be your lower quartile, which is also called a Q1. And the opposite of, and from the upper half would be your upper quartile. The middle from your upper half would be your upper quartile, which is also represented by Q3. And so for Ashland, the minimum number, which is the smallest number from the data set, would be 56, okay? And the median of that would be, let's go back to our plot right here. So median is the middle number from the data. So notice how it didn't have any numbers in the 40s, so let's go ahead and count from here. So 56, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how we had 12 data sets, and from the back we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th one, this is the 6th one. So in the middle right here, this is 61 and 65. So the middle number would be 63. Okay, so the median would be 63. And we know that the maximum is 82. Okay, and so Q1 would be the lower quartile. So remember, 63 is in between here, right? And you're going to count the lower half right here, and you find the middle number from your lower half. So this is 1, 2, 3, and from here, 1, 2, 3. So it'll be between 58 and 60. So the number that's in between 58 and 60 is 59. So the other way you can find is 58 plus 60 divided by 2 will give you the middle number from between these two. So your Q1 or the lower quartile would be 59. Same thing you would do that for the upper quartile as well. We know that the median was 63, so it'll be right here. And then we start counting from here. So 1, 2, 3. From the back, 1, 2, 3. So it would be in between 70 and 73. So the middle number between 70 and 73 is 71.5. So your upper quartile, or Q3, would be 71.5. So let me just show you guys that here. And then once you found Q1 and Q3, for IQR, or interquartile range, would be this Q3 minus 59. Okay, Q1. Okay, so it'll be 12.5. Okay, so go ahead and do the same for Bolzano. So you should have gotten this for Bolzano. Okay, same way as you would do for Ashland.